Hello students, today I will start this session with the revision of chapter 1, that is nutrition in plants. So first see that what are the important topics which we have to read in this chapter. So first is nutrition, next is modes of nutrition, then two modes are there, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. After that photosynthesis. In other modes of nutrition, parasitic nutrition, symbiotic and saprophytic. So these are the other modes of nutrition. So these are the other modes of heterotrophic nutrition, and after that replenishment of nutrients in the soil. So let's start with nutrition. So what is nutrition? It is the process of taking food by an organisms, and not only the taking food, and utilizes it to obtain energy that is also essential for growth and developments, repair of the damaged body parts, etc. And also that means prevent us from the various diseases. So this process is called nutrition. Next is nutrients. So what are nutrients? The substance which provide nourishment to our body, that is called nutrients. Examples are carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, fats and mineral. So these are the various nutrients which is present in our food. Actually these are called component of food also, which provide nourishment to our body. So let's see what are the different role of these nutrients one by one. So first start with carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, that is called energy giving food, which is present in various food items like rice, wheat, potato. Protein is called body building food, because that means it helps in growth and development. It also helps in repairing the damaged body parts, and it is present in various food items like pulses, soya bean, mushroom, etc. Next is fat. It also provides us energy. That means it provides more energy than carbohydrate, but is required in less amount, and it is present in butter, ghee, oil, etc. Next is vitamins and minerals, which are present in various fruits and vegetables, and they are called the protective food, which fight against the various diseases. Deficiency is causes deficiency diseases, and apart from this, water is also important for us. Our next topic is modes of nutrition. So generally two modes of nutrition are there, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. One by one we will discuss about that. So first is autotrophic mode of nutrition. So what is autotrophic mode of nutrition, students? Actually this is the mode of nutrition in which all the green plants, they prepare their own food by using the simple substances. Simple substances, that means the carbon dioxide, water, minerals, and in the presence of sunlight. So this is called autotrophic mode of nutrition, and those, that means those who perform this process, they are called autotrophs. Examples are all the green plants, some algae like blue green algae, and some other algae also, and some bacteria which can perform photosynthesis. Our next topic is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So let's see what is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition, that means the mode of nutrition in which organisms do not prepare their own food by using the simple substances like the autotrophs, and they depends on others, mainly on which, that means autotrophs, either directly or indirectly, and this mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. And those organisms, that means they are called heterotrophs. Examples are all the non-green plants, animals, humans, etc. So these are the examples of heterotrophs, and their mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. So students, I think that means whatever the topic that I have discussed, that should be clear to all of you, and actually we have read in the classes also. So better you may go through the topic well. If you have any doubt and query, you can ask in the, that means Zoom classes, online classes, and please revise the chapter well for the unit test. And all the best, students. Thank you all of you. Okay, so All the best.